In this video, we'll walk you through installing and connecting the SmartestQA desktop agent to your machine. Open Agent Pool from the sidebar. You'll see your registered hosts, each with a name, status, and a unique API key. The info box gives a quick overview of the setup steps. On the right, Download Client offers installers for Windows and Mac. The Install Via CLI tab provides a ready-to-use command with your key pre-filled. Click Windows to download the package. Extract the archive and open the folder. Inside, you'll find the desktop executable, a launcher batch file, a README, and a user guide. Run the executable. The terminal opens, displays the agent version and backend URL, then prompts for your API key. Go back to Agent Pool, copy the key, and paste it into the terminal. The agent begins connecting, loading production settings, and establishing a WebSocket connection. Once the handshake completes, the host status turns green. Your desktop agent is now online and fully ready to execute tests locally. SmartestQA. Make test automation easy and scale your projects faster.